Hello, everyone. My name is Eric, and welcome back to week number 3 of building ClearMind AI. This is part of our SHIP program that we are working with Lovable. This week, we made a lot of adjustments around the homepage, price models, AI chat, adding some new functionalities, and enhancing currently what we have. And we started getting some new users. So let's actually jump into it. One of the first things that we did on our homepage was to add more visualizations and storytelling. So we changed our background from the plain kind of like flying cloud to more of a business side of things, of showing entrepreneurs, creators that are working in the background to create more of that visualization. We went ahead and updated our call to action to make sure that people are getting a free plan when you create. We're trying to create that hook and that narrative when we go ahead and build out the application. So that's part of the price model that we will dive into. We pretty much kept everything else the same. We got a lot of feedback of how easy and intuitive our homepage and is for people to understand and how that all works out. One of the things that we did work on was our pricing. Our pricing. So we actually nailed this down and got this thing down perfectly based off the feedback and how things were going to work out. Now we're allowing users to create a free plan when you first sign up. So everybody that signs up, you are able to create a free plan. Now there are limitations of what you get with the plan around AI, but you are able to generate a free plan and use Claude AI. So if you're listening, your goal is to create a plan today and test it out. We broke it down into 3 different price models. One is for you to create one plan a month for $19.99 and be able to get all their AI functionalities, right? These are for people that have already know what they want to do. This is the first time in rolling out an idea. You can go ahead and use that. For my entrepreneurs, this is something what I would do where I have a lot of business or a lot of ideas, or I'm constantly evolving. AI is changing. My solution offerings are iterating over, and as I'm doing these feedback calls, I'm figuring out where I need to enhance my functionality and features, and that comes along with maybe changing my direction of my plan or enhancing it. So this is more of a somebody who's a founder who has multiple entrepreneurships, has a multiple different opportunities in the market. So we went ahead and created a plan for $49.99, allows you to create unlimited plans and use our AI Unlimited. Then we have our Founders Lab. This is our yearly price. So you can get you can create any plan for an entire year and get all our AI applications for $2.99. And for the people that were trying to say, okay, well, how does it all break down? What does it make sense? We went ahead and created an entire pricing table for you to see what functionalities and what features you get with each single plan. So here is a table broke down for you that are listening or watching, or provided feedback of actually how everything is broken down to make the pricing a little bit more easier for you to understand exactly how it works and what this platform is going to be creating. So those are some of the big changes around the homepage, the price models. We did finally integrate the Stripe program. So now when you actually click on a product, we do have Stripe now fully connected on the back end to all our systems. So we did all the back end database, all the connection, all the API keys. Our product is ready to go to market as of today. So let's actually talk about some of the functionality and the features with ClearMind AI. So we've updated our Claude a little bit to update our model. And if something does fail, we do get a backup. Now we've left-handed to make questions even easier. So here is an example of a business plan called Meta Meal. Basically, Meta Meal is an AI-powered meal planning personalized for your weekly menus, grocery lists, recipes, all tailored to you. So we've actually went ahead and built this one out that we're going to actually go ahead and run it here. I'm just going to show you an example of some of the forms that I've already kind of pre-filled out for us as we move forward. And it's asking me some questions around the 6 different topics. So I'm just going to kind of go through these questions, and we're going to hit generate so you guys actually can see how it turns out. So I'm going to go ahead and hit generate plan. And one of the things that we did is to make sure that our system always works. So if something seems to fail, or where there's so many request calls to Claude, basically off the different models, like a 529, we have some backup plans to generate to the next model, so we're able to generate a lot easier. We are seeing some very consistency across our users. A lot of people are using Claude. They're getting the best answers with Claude, and we're actually trying to figure out what is that average time for users that are using Claude. So it's around 60 seconds to around 80 seconds to actually get the Claude feedback. But Claude has been probably one of the most thorough models that we've currently used. The next one we've messed with ChatGPT, and that also provided some very, very thorough. So as we're going through, we're able to see different results. So here we go, generated plan, and here is how a full plan looks like, right? We got an executive summary of everything about the app that we created, all the details that our AI is able to go out to reach and to look at the market, our key insights of what we entered, a very strategic strategy plan of our marketing analysis, what's out there, what is it going to look like by 2027, what is the rise, our current business model that we are looking to implement, advantages, financials for people that are really strict into financing and making sure that what do I need to do to get to my goal, right? I need how many subscribers, how many subs, what are my current market financial that I need to reach out to. So we actually have all this tailored for you based within our AI model. And again, our 7-stage launch plan, one of the best tools that we have. So as you are completing certain tasks throughout your launch plan or reiterating, you'll see a progress bar, and this will make a lot of sense as we move forward. And then we added something new. Very exciting to pronounce. We created our own AI playbook. So we took 50 of the best prompts to help you get your business out there or get your business moving in the right direction. How do we accelerate? So we have pre-made prompts that you can just click on, and then we'll automatically get into your AI chat. So you can get into your AI chat by maybe, let's say there's a 7 question, I need to ask something around legal, right? Starting my business banking account. Well, how do I do that? I can literally go into my agent and open it up, and what it's going to do, it's going to go on the back end, take out my knowledge base, talk to AI, and start generating that output for me. So right now we clicked on this setup business banking accounting system subscription on Pro. Please provide me steps, tips, and guidance on how to complete these successful steps. So right now our AI is actually doing all the magic on the back end for us as we move forward. So let's see what comes out. Awesome. So here we go. Here is our answer that we got back. So setting up a bank account, considered like Mercury, Ready, popular for SaaS startups. So it's giving me recommendations for my business. It's recommending me an LLC, more pro tips. This is a pretty lengthy, very detailed answer that we're getting. Again, very tailored to my business. Now at any times, here is my 50 playbook that I have. We actually enhanced our entire AI look and feel UX UI to accommodate some of the playbook. So if you guys are in the playbook and you guys want to ask a question or find something here, you're also going to be able to see it inside our AI chat. So here's one that says, give me a 5-day launch social media post idea. Oh, that's a great question. That is a great prompt, right? So based off my business, it's going to give me a 5 launch day social media post ideas. And again, as that's loading, all 50 prompts are also here on the right hand side to enhance your user experience and for you to obviously keep accelerating, keep enhancing your product as you move forward. So a lot of value that we're adding with our AI tools. So again, based off our product, first day is to have a video post, create a 30-second showing business parties. Okay. Second day, your diet, your carousel. Third day, fourth day, fifth day, some pro tips. So now it's going very in details of campaigns that I should be running, especially aligned to my business plan. Again, different strategies, different topics that our AI can actually go to. So again, very huge updates that we made with our UX UI and our AI as we move forward. With that, we've actually been able to generate our next set of users, which is now we've accommodated 20 users that are already applying and using our platform. The number one feature that we've actually realized that a lot of people are using is the export to PDF. This has been a huge tool for people to share with their coworkers, their peers, for them to review their business plan, or investors that are investing. Or if you are looking to get a business alone, you have to have a business plan, a marketing plan. This will start the process for you. So instead of spending 6 weeks, 4 weeks trying to put it together, 100 prompts trying to get this output, you are now able to do this now into 60 seconds with your time with ClearMind AI. So those are all our amazing updates that we currently have with ClearMind AI in week 3. We have 3 more weeks. We're going to continue getting some more beta users, see if we can onboard some more. The goal is to get at least 100 people before the 6 weeks end. And now since Stripe is integrated, let's see if we can get our first paying customer. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you guys haven't done so already, subscribe to the video, write a comment. Which feature do you like the most? Are you going to dive into ClearMind AI, since now we have a free tier for you to check out? I encourage you guys to write in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.